morning, young Groms. We are headed out for another session. We're just getting these quick sessions in, and yeah, like practicing standing up, literally just practicing paddling, like, you know, being on a surfboard. That's all I gotta say. Maybe making some moves tomorrow, but right now it's just gonna be another grind sesh. Oh, it's pretty micro. It's pretty small right now. We gotta get out there, work hard, catch some waves. It's gonna be a short session, but someone's gotta do it. We gotta work hard. We gotta work hard. We got trips planned. We're gonna be surfing the world. We gotta practice. We are going with this 6-mil wetsuit today because my 5'4" is wet and I didn't want to wear it. I haven't worn this thing since Iceland last year. It feels so nice to get in like a new wetsuit. Like I only used it in Iceland and then once in New York before I left. So yeah, it's pretty much like a brand new wetsuit. I'm so stoked. 6-mil feels so nice. Maybe I should break this out like more often in the winter. Here we go, we're jumping in the water, let's do it. Session. This wetsuit keeps me super warm. Like 6-mil, definitely like nice to have. Saving this wetsuit for like another Arctic mission, like if I go to Norway or something, or like Antarctica, I would wear this thing. I don't think you really need it in the New York winter. You can get by with a 4.3, but if I was gonna do like a 3-hour session in New York in the winter, or Rhode Island or Maine, yeah, I'd actually probably wear this. But I like to save it for like those crazy trips, like going to Norway or something like that. I've kind of gotten like super used to like the cold, and like the wetsuit kept me warm. Like I was super warm when I was changing. I was able to just put my feet like on the pavement barefoot and be fine, and like kind of like just stand there and dry off a little bit. We got the heat blasting right now and it's not even necessary. So yeah, good equipment, short session, and I also feel like I'm getting used to just surfing a lot. So yeah, we're stoked. This is the life I've always wanted to live, just like getting down to the beach, getting sessions in, and yeah, enjoying life.